Surging demand for food assistance. For 12 months now, we have been showing you pictures and video like this, long lines of families needing help keeping their kitchens stocked. This morning, Gleaners says it has reached a milestone in filling the need, 100 million meals during the last year.
News 8's Katie Wisely is there live. They've put into numbers just how much the need has spiked during the health crisis. Katie?
Hey, good morning. That's right. Gleaners says they have had a 137% increase in need this past year. And I'm joined now with COO Joe Slater here. Talk a little bit about how you got to those 100 million meals. It's been a long year.
It has been a long year. It's been a really interesting year for us, for sure. The only way we got there is with the help of so many people in this community. This is a very generous community. Donors have stepped up. Community partners have stepped up to distribute food. We've distributed food in places that we never did before, places like the Indianapolis Motor Speedway and the State Fairgrounds. And it really has been a phenomenal coming together of so many people in this community to help those that really needed food assistance for the first time ever.
And we were talking a few minutes ago really about the financial impact and the donors that have come towards you over the past year. Financially, you've had millions of dollars in donations.
Yeah, we've raised about $25 million this year, and it was a large outpouring real early on when the pandemic hit. Jim Irsay from the Colts, Go Colts, led the way really with a very generous contribution. Companies like Elanco and Anthem and Corteva on the corporate side, and really just so many individual donors. When the first round of stimulus checks came out, we got so many checks that were $1,200 or $2,400, people saying that they received it but didn't need it and wanted to pay it forward to people in need. It's just been phenomenal.
And today at 8:30 this morning, you know, you're really marking 1 year ago today. What are you hoping to hear from staff and to talk to those people who've really spent time volunteering and helping?
Yeah, I think it's really our chance to say thank you to them. Our staff has been very courageous throughout this last year. They've shown up. They've worked extremely hard. We have had to change and adapt so many different times to changing circumstances, surges in demand, how we get food distributed. You know, one of the things that strikes me as much when this first started and we converted all of our distribution to drive-through and low contact is one of our hungry neighbors, as they were leaving, just rolled down the window to me and said, "Thank you. Thank you for thinking of us. Thank you for not closing, for continuing to distribute food, and thinking of us to do it safely." And then she said, "Nobody really ever thinks of us." So
wow.
it was touchy. It kind of said we're doing the right things the right way.
Exactly. Well, thanks so much, Joe, for your time here this morning. We appreciate it. And today is actually a distribution day here at Gleaners Food Bank of Indiana, and they expect to feed and give meals to about 1,000 families. Live in Indianapolis, Katie Wisely, Wish TV.